Auti, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a follow-along contemporary class for you, and it's for all levels with these beautiful dancers. So we're going to start with a quick warm-up and then move into our combo. Let's go.
There's no time to wait.
I'm looking to the back now. This left leg is gonna extend up, lunge. From here, my weight goes to the back and my front foot flexes and I extend back with my arms. Let's try that again. 6, 7, 8, dip, flat, shoulder, arm. Leg, hop, sit, lunge, flex, extend. From here, our fingertips are going to our chest and we're contracting in. Beautiful. Our right arm is gonna thread through our left elbow and we're gonna reach out for somebody. Gorgeous. You're turning over your right shoulder to face the front. And that's pretty low. Go to this movement for me. Try to turn in a plie, in a bend. 6, 7, 8. Up. Reach, reach into your hips. Gorgeous. Let's try it again. So we start parallel. Dip, flat. Reach it over. Passe, arm comes in. Lunge. Flex, extend. Chest. Thread it through. Turn up. Cool. Let's try that part with just music, okay? Stand up. And your palm's gonna press. You're doing a catch set, so your right leg comes to your left. But even lower. Yes? You're turning over your right shoulder, and you're gonna stay low, and you're gonna press with a forced arch here. You're gonna extend to a parallel squat, and that reaches over. Okay, let's try that. So we're standing, we just went reach, reach, in. Step left, press left. Catch step over, right shoulder, squat, lean. From here, you're gonna shift your weight back over to your left side, and this right leg is brushing behind you, swinging around, tucking onto your right knee. Sit on your right butt cheek, roll, stand up, legs pointed up. Bring it back. We're here, but, in, press, and press, turn, squat, reach, shift, leg extend, tuck, roll, stand up. Cool. One more time. 6, 7, 8, down, forward switch, step, leg, tuck. Cool, good music? Yeah. Awesome. You're jumping from 2 feet to 1 foot and onto your left. That right leg does not touch the floor. You're going to use that bend to extend this way. Out. Gorgeous. Let's just see that jump. So over here, 6, 7, 8, out, out. Your left crosses over. You step right. Here's a leg. This leg goes up and around. Yeah, try it for me. Let's go back. 6, 7, 8, plie, jump, cross, leg. Cool, and if you need to put your hand down, that's fine too. It would just be that extension up and over, okay? From that leg, turn around yourself here, a little circle, it comes out in front of you. Extend. From here, step left, grab your right hamstring. This chugs over. Keep turning over your left shoulder. Here, elbow comes across your mouth. Okay, from here, last part. Right, cross over left, triangle to this left side up, bring it in, and then you're just gonna crunch your chest and your knee in. Yeah, let's try this up part, okay? So we're here. 6, 7, 8, jump, jump, leg, around, back, release, circle, step left, right, cross, 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 up, in, contract. Yeah, let's try it out with music, okay? Go ahead and try it out for me. I hope you enjoyed that contemporary class. I'm super excited to be putting out this follow along series. So let me know what other kind of styles you want to see, whether it's ballet, maybe lyrical, jazz. Comment on this video and let me know what you want next. Also, these are two of my company dancers, hello. Matt and Becca. If you like what we're doing, please follow us on Instagram at BodySpeaksDC. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.
Goodbye.